Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to transfer money to other players in a GTA 5 Online. Now the first thing I need you to go ahead and do is go ahead and hold it down the touchpad on your controller or press and hold the M key on your PC. And this will bring up the interaction menu on the left side of the screen. Next I want you to access inventory. Scroll down, select inventory, click on it, and then click on cash. Okay, now from here I want you to select a share cash from the last job. Okay. And from here, what I want you to do is select the recipient. Okay. So let's say I want to do it to B Turner and then select a remaining cash to give, right? And you scroll down here and choose the amount. So you adjust the amount, use the navigation keys, and let's say you want to give 300, right? So here at the bottom, you see select. Go ahead and accept that. So just go ahead and press A. And there you go. You have transferred them the money. Really that easy. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.